Hello Mika Fam! So kaka-expire lang ng aking GCash Mastercard. It's about time mag-order na naman tayo ng panibagong GCash card. Anyway, tuturo ko sa inyo sa video na to paano mag-order ng GCash card online. Gaano nga ba katagal dumating yung card ko? And lastly, paano i-link yung ating GCash card sa GCash app para magamit na natin ito. Anyway, if you're interested, please keep on watching. Hi Mika Fam! Myra here for today's video. Tayo po ay mag-order ng GCash card. Anyway, punta tayo sa ating GCash and punta tayo dito sa profile na nasa lower right side. Tap natin itong My Linked Accounts. Tap natin itong GCash card. Ang GCash mo may card na. And ang kaganda sa card na to guys, you just have to dip or tap your card kapag magpipay ka in store in over 200 countries. And pwede mong gamitin yung card mo for easy and seamless online shopping. And of course, pwede ka makapag-withdraw ng cash from BankNet or Visa ATMs worldwide. Dito sa baba, tap natin itong order a card and send me a card. Ito yung card information guys. So, ang kaibahan ng card before sa ngayon, may pangalan na po yung ating GCash card ngayon. So guys, kung ano yung name na naka-register sa inyong GCash account, yun din po yung name na mag-a-appear sa card mo. And wala ka ng way para ma-change yung name ng inyong card. And yung GCash card po is worth 185 pesos. Tap lang natin itong next. And delivery information, silagay natin dito yung recipient's name, yung mobile number, province, city, barangay, zip code, yung house number and street address, and then yung landmark. And then I accept lang tayo. So tap lang natin dito yung province natin. And after nyan, tap natin ito. And guys, yung amount from 185 naging 250, siguro kasama na dito yung ating shipping fee. So tap natin itong pay and then proceed. And order successful. Sabi dito, yung card natin will be delivered soon. Yung expected delivery po kapag nasa NCR ka, that's 4 to 6 business days. Kapag nasa Luzon ka, 6 to 8 business days. And kapag Visayas or Mindanao, 8 to 10 business days guys. And today is Friday, September 22. So, bilangin na lang natin 10 days after mga October 2, guys. Dapat ma-receive na natin yung ating GCash. But I will update you guys kung talagang dumating siya within 8 to 10 business days. Balikan ko kayo. Hi guys, I'm back for an update. Recap lang tayo ha. September 22, Friday, tayo nag-order ng GCash card. And since nasa Mindanao ako, up to 10 business days daw bago ma-deliver yung ating GCash card. So, let's see. Since nag-order tayo Friday, ang bilangan natin will be Monday na. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, dapat on or before October 6, ma-receive na natin yung ating GCash card. So, kailan nga ba dumating yung ating GCash card? Guys, good news kasi October 5th, na-receive na natin yung ating GCash card. So, that's 9 business days after natin mag-order ng GCash cards. Happy naman ako guys kasi dineliver nila dun sa pinangako nila na time frame. And eto na nga yung ating GCash card guys. Unfortunately, hindi masyadong maganda yung unboxing experience natin. Pero look at the card guys. Can I just say na bet ko yung design niya. Naka-portrait po siya guys. It's a Visa card. May pangalan na rin natin dyan. And yung information ng card ay makikita natin sa likod. Pero anyway, ano nga ba yung gagawin after nating ma-receive yung ating GCash card? Para magamit natin ito, kailangan natin siyang i-link sa ating GCash app guys. And to do that, syempre tuturo ko sa inyo yan. Let's go! At dahil meron na tayong GCash card, ang gagawin natin is to link our GCash card dito sa ating GCash app para magamit na natin ito. And to do that, punta tayo dito sa profile na nasa lower right side. And piliin natin itong My Linked Accounts, GCash card. Dito sa baba guys, tap natin itong Link My Card. After nyan, magsisend po sila ng OTP sa phone number na naka-register sa ating GCash account. It's 87 submit. enter natin dito yung last 4 digits ng ating card, guys. And for the virtual account number, kikita mo yan sa likod ng card. Papakita ka na lang dito sa screen kung saan banda. And then after nyan, tap next. Your GCash card is now linked. Next na dapat natin gawin is to nominate our 6-digit card PIN. Kayo na po bahalang mag-decide niyan, pero syempre avoid natin yung weak card pins like 123456 or 1111000. Ayan na guys, yung GCash card natin ay nakalink na po. Ito na po yung reference number niya. And sabi dito, congratulations, you can now use your GCash card in all stores and ATM machines worldwide po. So ito na yung ating GCash card guys na nilink natin a while ago. Pero dito sa baba, as you can see, merong link my card and merong order a GCash card. So, I'm guessing na pwede tayong magkaroon ng another GCash card tapos ililink lang din natin dito. I'm not so sure. Correct me if I'm wrong. Guys, if you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye for now.